Introducing Craft a Flower Crocus Layering Die Set. On the back is the layering guide showing step by step how to layer together, as well as how to ink blend your pieces with the ink colors shown. On the inside, you'll see there are 13 dies included, as well as 4 fabulous sentiment dies. On the front is an image of a project you could create, and here are the dies laid out in order that you will use them. We'll begin with arrow piece 1, using the arrow to align piece 2, using the arrow to align piece 3, using the arrow to align piece 4, using the arrow to align the 5th piece, and finally we'll use the outline of this piece here to align the cover of this piece, the 6th piece in order. Next, we'll layer on at 6 o'clock a layer on the petal, and over at 3 o'clock we'll add the final piece and final layer to that crocus. We'll begin with the keyhole flower with piece 1, layering on piece 2, use the keyhole to align piece 3, we'll use the keyhole to align piece 4, keyhole to align piece 5, and next we'll use the petal of the crocus on the left to align the stem and crocus petal to finish that arrangement. On the bud of the crocus, we'll use the left-hand side to align the petal, and at the top and the left, we'll use that to align the final piece of this crocus. I hope this video was helpful in layering together your Craft a Flower Crocus Layering Die Set. Here's some inspiration from our fabulous designers. To find out more about Craft a Flower Crocus and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.